In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight an entire row in your Excel spreadsheet just by clicking on a single cell within it. This can be incredibly useful for improving the clarity and readability of your data, making it easier to follow along with your dataset or presentation. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by selecting the range of cells where you want the row highlighting effect to apply. For this demonstration, I'm going to select all the data in my worksheet, but feel free to choose a range that fits your specific needs. This selection sets the stage for applying a formatting rule specifically tailored to highlight your rows. Next, navigate to the Home tab, which you'll find right at the top of Excel's interface. Click on Conditional Formatting, a powerful tool that gives us the flexibility to define how our data visually responds as we interact with it. Within this menu, choose New Rule. This will open up a dialog box with several different options for customizing your data's appearance. In the list that appears, scroll down and select the option that allows you to use a formula to determine which cells to format. This step is crucial as it gives us the ability to dynamically adjust formatting based on specific conditions, in this case, the row you click on. In the formula field that appears, type the following expression, equals row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, equals cell, open parenthesis, quotation mark, row, quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula is what instructs Excel to highlight the entire row that corresponds to the cell you've selected. After entering the formula, it's time to set the formatting style you desire. You can choose whatever style suits your needs, but for this example, I'll go with a simple yellow background fill. This visual cue will make it clear which row you're focusing on. Once you've set your desired style, click OK, and then click OK again to apply it. Now let's make sure the highlighting effect responds to your cell selection. For this, you'll need to access the VBA editor. Start by right-clicking on the Current Sheet tab at the bottom of your workbook and selecting View Code. This opens up the VBA editor where we can insert additional instructions. Inside the editor, be sure to select Worksheet from the drop-down menu at the top. Then enter the following line of code, target.calculate. This command ensures that Excel recalculates the sheet, triggering the conditional formatting to update with your selection. Once you've done this, close the VBA editor. Now when you click on any cell in your selected range, the entire row will automatically be highlighted with your chosen formatting. I hope you found this Excel tip helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and feel free to comment with suggestions for future tips you'd like to learn. Thank you for watching and happy excelling.